Alright, so let's check out this Lipo applicator body wrap. This is such an amazing product. It's just a simple wrap that you can go ahead and put on specific targeted areas. So you have somewhere on your body that you're like, I want to do something, it's a bit of a cellulite and I need a little help. So you can put it on the back of your arms, you can put it on your belly, on your legs, on the side of your butt cheek or anything like that. So it is recommended to put it on at least a minimum of an hour so that you can start seeing results. Better results are if you go ahead and put this wrap on, then put some saran wrap around it, like if you're putting it on your belly, and then sleep with it overnight. And then to take it off, it is also recommended that once you take off that saran wrap, you go ahead and actually jump into the shower because it's actually going to help take off the adhesive and it's just so much easier. So let's go ahead and put this on. This is a material, as you can see, is super soft, and as you take it out of the pouch, you can actually smell sort of a minty menthol scent to it. And then of course it is this is the plastic that we're going to take off, so let's go ahead and put it on. Now if you do have to use more than one of these, you by all means you can use one. They do got 4 of them do come in the pouch, so you can go ahead and use one, or you can just cut this the correct size that you need it to. So this is the Lipo Wrap on. I just have it on the front of my belly. As you can see, it's super easy to go on. So then we're going to leave it on for maybe an hour or overnight and come back and take it off.